How to change touch sensitivity on iPhone screen. If you want to change the touch sensitivity on your iPhone, such as adjusting how it responds to taps or swipes, then this video is a short guide to do it. While iPhones don't have a direct touch sensitivity settings, but you can customize some accessibility feature to improve the touch experience. For this, you have to simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings home page, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see accessibility. Simply tap on that. From there, go to the touch and select haptic touch. From here, you have to make sure that touch duration is set to default. Once you check that, go back to the accessibility homepage again and select touch accommodation. From there, make sure that touch accommodation is toggle on and you can manage your hold duration by simply toggle it on. Now, increase the hold duration according to your preference. In this way, you can easily change touch sensitivity on iPhone screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.